Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be installing an hour meter on our new snowblower. So it's a very simple product to install. Basically you could zip tie this to your machine and just have the wire going around your spark plug, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the process on my snowblower. It's a brand new machine. I've probably ran it about an hour already, so my hour meter will be an hour off, but that's okay. So I'm going to be using this to track my oil changes, and like I said, it's a brand new machine, so it's definitely good to do it when you first get the machine, but sometimes that's not always possible. So I'll show you the product. It's this right here. Pretty straightforward, simple installation. I'll link in the description below to where I bought it, and let's get started. But if you're new to the channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. All right, let's get started. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is find a location where you're going to want to mount this. So I thought about putting it up here, but I don't want to always have to worry about hitting it, kind of getting in the way. So I think I'm actually just going to tuck it in right here on the side. I think that'll be nice and handy there. I'll drill a small hole through here, and then I'll be able to tuck the wire in, down, and into where the spark plug is here. You'll see it right in here. See this wire right here? So we'll just got to wrap the wire around there. I'll go ahead and show you guys how that's done. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and drill a small hole into the side here so I can run the wire through. So just about there, we'll say. And I've already kind of tucked in the wire here to get it up in the spark plug area. So I'm just tucking it in around this plastic guarding. And then I'll do a couple zip ties in here after. Actually, I have a couple zip ties here. I'll probably just feed it through. Let's just go ahead and do that. 1, 2. And I might just add a couple more after. Get a nice clean look. Alright, so I'll add a couple zip ties in here after. And it's pretty straightforward. The wire just tucks into this like little channel that's there. So I'm just going to do that now. And then we just have to add 2 screws to mount this after. So let's just tuck the wire in here. Just like that. I'll just leave it loose for now. And let's just pull this down a bit. Make sure nothing's in the way here. We'll just tuck that zip tie that in after. And now we just have to wrap this around the spark plug wire. Which I don't know if you can see. The spark plug wire. This big rubber one. So we're just going to wrap this electrical wire around it. What I'll do is actually just take this off to make it a little easier. It just pulls right off. And I'll just do some wraps around it. And then I'll add a zip tie in here after. It's always good to test everything first before you... Just give you guys a better angle here. So I got this here. I'm just going to screw it in after, but you'll just see that the wire's in behind there. Goes in through the hole. We're going to zip tie it in here after. Coming down the channel, and I just have it wrapped around right here, the spark plug wire. Alright, let's fire this Let's fire this up and see if the count goes up. I'll leave it for 10 minutes, see if it increments. Alright guys, so as you can see, that flashing light indicates that the hour meter was running. So now it has stopped. I didn't wait for it to increase the time as it's pretty cold here. But let's go ahead and finish up this installation. We're just going to put some zip ties up, put a couple screws in, and just tidy everything up. All right, so here we go. Here's the finished product. We got the hour meter all set up here. All the wires nicely tucked in. I got it tucked in, and then it's all wrapped around the spark plug there. Pretty simple installation. Definitely handy. I definitely recommend it to keep track of the hours on your engine. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. And if it did, please hit that like and subscribe button. And we'll see you next time. Thanks, and take care.